Imagine a single music tool that lets you record, compose, mix, master, even perform live all in one app. That's what Studio One Pro 7 by PreSonus delivers. Whether you're just starting or going pro, it's built to streamline the music production process from first idea to final track. What is Studio One Pro 7? It's a digital audio workstation DAW software for creating, editing, mixing, mastering, and performing music. With version 7, PreSonus combined what used to be multiple versions artist, Prime, etc. into one full-featured edition. Studio One Pro. Studio One Pro 7 covers nearly every stage of music production in one environment. You can track audio, MIDI, arrange, mix, master, do live performances, and even distribute your finished work. Native tools included. You get over 45 native effects plugins and 9 virtual instruments built in. That means you can start producing without needing third-party tools right away. Unlimited capacity. There are no arbitrary limits on tracks, FX channels, buses, or plugins. You can work on basic or massive projects. AI-powered stem separation lets you split a mixed track into stems, for example vocals, drums, etc., useful for remixing or mixing. PreSonus Splice integration. First DAW to integrate with Splice, giving access to its loop sample library directly. Time aligning drums helps tighten drum recordings by aligning or fixing timing issues. Tempo detection and map extraction. You can detect tempo from audio events of any length and extract the original tempo map to align your project. Immersive audio support. Studio One Pro 7 supports Apple Spatial audio monitoring and integrated Dolby Atmos mixing and rendering. If you're producing immersive audio or want 3D audio workflows, these features are built in. Distribution and collaboration. You can distribute finished tracks via TuneCore or SoundCloud right from within the DAW. Also, subscription-type offerings Pro Plus bring cloud-based collaboration workspaces, sample loop libraries, cloud storage, and more. New instruments and updates. Recent updates include a new virtual instrument called Sub-Zero Bass, an updated tuner to plugin, and features like Nashville Number System, post-roll auto punch, and continuous cursor options. Beginners get a full toolkit out of the box, no need to buy many add-ons just to make something usable. Intermediate and advanced users benefit from modern workflows, stem separation, immersive audio, unlimited tracks, and strong native tools. For people working on sound design, scoring, or live performance, features like tempo detection, drum alignment, and drag-and-drop workflows speed up the work significantly. Studio One Pro 7 is PreSonus's effort to bring all stages of music production, composing, recording, mixing, mastering, live performance, and distribution into one powerful, intuitive, and modern DAW. With its latest features, it bridges traditional and cutting-edge workflows, AI tools, immersive audio, collaboration, and robust native content. If you want a DAW that evolves with your needs, Studio One Pro 7 clearly aims to be that.